Don Mullen with Tornado. We're here today to talk about our brand new Virga Electrostatic Battery Cart Mister. With the Virga, you have two options. You have the electrostatic spray by pressing this button and the light illuminates. If you want traditional spraying, you just turn it off. That way you can do flat surfaces, or if you're using chemicals that are not compatible with electrostatic spraying. Electrostatic provides an electrical charge to the solution and allows the solution to wrap around all sides of any conductive surface. Standard is best for spraying smooth surfaces and non-conductive material. The Virga is battery powered for cord-free operation. It has 8 hours of continuous runtime and recharges in 2.5 hours. The removable 44-volt lithium-ion battery is the same battery technology that we use for our own vacuums. The battery can also be charged on board or removed for charging. The portable rolling cart design has 10-inch rear wheels, allowing for easy transitions over thresholds or upstairs. That also has swivel front casters to easily maneuver around corners. With the Virga, you have a dual solution option. You have a dilutable intake solution, and you also have the ability to carry 2 gallons of solution on top for ready-to-use chemicals. And it's as easy as switching from tank to RTU. The Virga has an 8-gallon solution tank, far greater than our competitors, and it has a runtime of up to 5.5 hours without refilling. The unit is easy to fill and to empty. To fill it, you remove the top cap. You can pour in with a bucket your solution. You can also go to a sink and attach this to fill the solution tank. The side tube allows you to see how much solution you have left in your tank, and it also acts as the drain hose. Our unit has a lightweight spray nozzle design, which reduces hand and arm fatigue. It'll also come with multiple spray tips for different types of applications. The unit comes with a 10-foot spray hose, giving us a longer reach without having to move the machine. We also have quick disconnects on the machine and the spray gun for easy storage and cleaning. We have onboard storage for the spray gun, 2 RTU bottles, and the hose. Thank you, and for more information, please contact your local Tornado representative.